Today on Renal Diet HQ, we are cooking this delicious Herbed Orzo Pilaf, perfect for your next kidney-friendly gathering. The servings are for 2, so it's you and somebody else. You can have a delicious side dish with your meal. Give it a try. Hi, I'm Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today I want to ask you what's small, golden, and loves to soak up flavor. Hint, it's not rice, it's orzo. That's what we're making today is orzo pilaf, and let me tell you about the ingredients. All right, our ingredients for our orzo pilaf is orzo, chicken broth, lemon juice and lemon zest from 1 lemon. Basically, you zest the lemon and then you squeeze it and you get the juice and the zest. We've got butter, we've got pepper, fresh dill, and we've got onions, and all of this is going to come together to make a delicious dish. The fresh dill and the lemon bring a brightness to the dish that makes it yummy and a great side. Okay, so let's get started. All right, to start, we're going to add the butter to the skillet, and we're going to add the onions. We're going to saute those for a few minutes. All right, now we're going to add the orzo pasta and the lemon zest, and we're going to get that toasting so it's a little bit toasted, which adds a deliciousness to the flavor. You'll start to see some browning and some darkness on the orzo, which indicates it's getting toasted. Okay, so now we're going to add the black pepper and the broth. We're going to turn it way down. Mix everything up. And let it sit at a simmer. I'm going to put a lid on it. Towards the very end, I'm going to take the lid off, but for now, we're going to leave the lid on and let it cook. Okay, so for the last couple minutes, I'm going to take the lid off, and I'm also going to, I turn the temperature off. I want it to have really no liquid. It's absorbed, all absorbed. So if you have a little liquid, just cook a little longer with to allow the liquid to evaporate or absorb. I'm going to add the dill, and I'm going to add the lemon juice and stir it around to add that fresh herbal flavor. Let it kind of soak up. So this is 2 servings, so you'll basically split it in half to share with somebody else. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so now we've finished cooking the orzo pilaf, and I'm just gonna scoop some onto the plate and give it a taste. That's about 1 serving. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh, that lemon juice is strong, but it's really good. It adds that zesty, fresh flavor. The onions are still good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I shouldn't be surprised, but I really like it. So try it out today.